Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You guys want to go some dumpster diving? I noticed before we get started, I noticed some stuff hanging out of my neighbor's dumpster, so we'll grab it. Oh crap, there's a big chunk of aluminum down there too. Let's run that over here real quick. Well, let's throw it right in the scrap shank. Dang, that's pretty heavy. Put it right here. That way on the next shred load, it'll be taken care of. I seen a big old chunk of aluminum down there. Yeah. I'll take that. Take that one. Yeah, that too. Sweet. There's a chunk. And we'll grab that. I think. No, that's not right. Look at here. It's aluminum too. Heck yeah. Good little start. Good little start. Oh. I usually try to keep an eye on that one. Alright. I stuck right on top of this old washer. We'll deal with it later. Always later, right? Alright. Let's close up this mess and we'll get it. Once the kids get back in school, we'll start busting our butts on getting this back organized, or at least I will. Y'all can watch me. All right, I think we got everything we need. Empty-ish truck. Got our stick. I took my new gloves out of here yesterday. I got a pair in here still. I got these too. Found these. They're almost wore out, but my new gloves we went crystal digging yesterday and I used them. They worked out pretty good. But I'm gonna wear I like these ones better. So yeah, let's get out there and see what we can find and all that. See y'all at the next dumpster. Oh yeah. First dumpster. I'm gonna back right up to it and get that. It looks like a portable air conditioner. I'm sorry about my air conditioner making noises. Speaking of air conditioners, in that last video it was making all kinds of racket, but we got to have it. We'll see if we need that. We may not need it. It looks like a portable AC. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, yep. Probably just tore it up. What about the dumpster? What you got for us? Oh, what's that hunting bag down there? Let's see what that hunting bag is. That's nothing. Let's grab the whole bag. See what it's all about. Sport pack. That's an old one, ain't it? I don't have no use for it really. Not a little camouflage bag of some sort. Like that looks like for like a little. It's a little blind or something. Yeah, there's nothing in there that I want. Whole bag's kind of cool, but yeah, I'll hold on to it for now. I can always throw it back away. I threw away a bunch when I was moving. That kept like that. Let's see what's in that box, just to be safe. It's kind of some semi-cool stuff. Oh yeah, some hunting gear. I will need an orange vest if I can't find mine. I'll save me a... have to get that little bag if I can. Oh, come on now. I'm holding this up. I don't... there we go. What kind of bag is this? Some kind of little bag though. That's kind of cool. Field Line Pro Series. Look like it attached to turkey vest maybe or something. I don't know. I don't know if I really need it. Take an orange vest though. Those are always handy. I don't like that mesh because it gets caught in briars and stuff, but what else was in here? Oh, a whole bunch of foot warmers. Looks like an MRE. Yeah. Vegetable lasagna. My dad used to bring them home all the time when we were kids from the Army, and we'd eat them and have fun with them. Go out in the woods and pretend we were Army men and stuff. Me and my buddies, or just me sometimes. I'll keep that, I reckon. Alright guys, that was interesting stop. Let's put this up where it don't roll around. I guess I'll just put it right in this thing right here. You guys want a little story time while I pick some dumpsters? I'll tell you what happened to me this week. I went out and checked my land early in the week, and somebody had ripped down my no trespassing signs and cut a whole bunch of brush and stuff in the middle of my land, and cut down a pretty good size tree. It looked like they were getting ready for a deer stand. I know that's what they were doing. Well anyways, on that little community, I made a post about it. It was a community of the neighborhood, and I was like, whoever's doing it, I appreciate you if you don't do it. Pretty much told them I'd make them famous because that's what I do for a living and give me good content. I went back out there a couple days later to hang some more signs up and just to check and see if they tore any more down. And this while I was out there, I heard a fool running right at the edge of my land. There's a trail that goes down. It's kind of on it, it's kind of not, but there's just a couple kids riding on it, which that don't bother me too much. And they went down the hill. They didn't see me. Well, I'll tell you what I was doing. I was cutting some brush up. I had a big old brush axe. If you know what a brush axe is, a big old blade on the end of a pole on a stick, you know, brush axe. Anyways, and I had a big straw hat on. And there's an old road on my property that kind of connects to that Fuller trail that they're riding on. Well, they went down the hill. They didn't see me. I was kind of just seeing who it was. Well, when they come back up, this hill's pretty, as my uncle would say, steep as a cow's face. Well, they seen me right when they came up on me. Those kids screamed, which I'm sure it scared them. When they hit the gas, they about flipped their four-wheeler because it's straight up, because I guess they thought I was going to get them with that big old brush axe. I was just trying to see who it was. And well, then they went off, you know, stormed off and drove off and got their dad. I could hear them up there talking at their house, and he came down there, and he's the one that cut down the brush and the stuff. He said he was cutting out his property line, which that was in the middle of my property. So I didn't want to argue with him too much about it. I just told him I'll just get it surveyed again, and I'll make sure and be there where I can see what is actually mine, even though I just got it surveyed. But I'm gonna get it again. I'm gonna clearly mark everything. And he's the one that ripped down my signs, but he said he didn't rip up my signs on my front tree coming in. And I was like, well, how'd you know they were even there then? Because I didn't mention where they were at. So that kind of, I was just cutting that brush and piling it here in the middle of this road where my kids wouldn't drive down it. That's what he said. But this ain't your property. Like right in the middle of I'm no idiot, so I was just like, all right, I'll just have it surveyed, man. So I might have some good survey content, land content, I don't know. I'm finally getting to where I can work on it a little bit and do stuff, and now people, of course, always trying to take what me and the wife's worked so hard to get, but you know, and there's people on the backside down there that done some bulldozing, and I'm afraid that might be on my land. So I will, we'll get a clear definition or answer to where mine's at, and then I'm so excited about it. I'm excited to put no trespassing signs and purple paint and all that stuff. I guess I'm gonna have to be one of those guys, but it's mine. I worked hard for it. I want to be able to go hunt on it and do what I want. Telling somebody I can't be on my own land, I don't want. But that's the story time I wanted to tell y'all. I bet you these bags got some, might have some stuff in it from school. There's some Winchester 5.556 millimeters. Let's see if there's any in that box. If I have my little grabber with me. Do I? Yeah, there it is. Let's see if there's any ammo in that box in a school dumpster. But yeah, I figured I'd tell you all that. I wish I would have had my GoPro on. That guy was I ain't gonna. He might think he's right, and he was nice enough. He wasn't too bad, but to rip somebody's signs down was pretty crappy. Yeah, the empty box. So I'd say this stuff is probably full of old school stuff. Nothing I really want to go in through, but we'll rip it open just to make sure. There's a lady over there. I don't want to be. This just came from a school. It can't be that dirty, can it? I'm gonna keep that. Yes, indeed. Sorry, I broke a sorry piece. There might be another one there. That's a pillow. We'll pass on the pillow. Just want to see what was in there real quick. These teachers are getting ready to go back to school. There might be some little bitty scrappy bits in here. Yeah, they're good. Book on how to tell. Oh, there's a bell. A good digging dumpster. Bunch of just garbage, leftover school stuff, but we found a few little tidbits in there, didn't we? Those pillows would be good for something, but I don't need them. Let's see what's in this one. Some toys. Cat in the Hat. That little guy, y'all remember him? It's definitely some sellable stuff. nothing I need. I'm gonna go find some scrap metal today. That's what I want to find. You guys want to? Let's go. Might make some of y'all mad, but that's what I want to do. Got a rug out of the deal. I'm gonna find some scrappy metals. On we go. And y'all are pointing straight up at the sky. Hope y'all wasn't doing that the whole time. Our Keystone lady left us a box. All full of cans, always is. Yummy. There's a Ford bedliner. Announced though. There might be something right here. Can't tell. Oh, what's that? It's that tank. Can't take that. Too much plastic. Alright, well. Steel rod. I did pick up a few bits of wire and stuff there on the ground. Nothing crazy. Nothing in that trash can. On we go. Got a little something going on here. Making that dude, they're searching that dude on that motorcycle. Alright, on we go. I'm about to turn in some cans soon, so let's get some of these easy ones today. So we're not, then we start getting hot and heavy finding good stuff. We'll start at least picking up some easy cans, put them down here. Everybody's, yeah, look at me, I don't care. Alright guys, 4 cans, man. Plus all those ones we got back there. Oh, you squeaky? I can fix you right now. I don't know which ones of y'all are squeaking. We'll just overdo it. There we go. That ought to keep the show rolling a little bit longer. I'm gonna show y'all something. I don't think this chair's for the taking. There's 2 little skateboards by it. Nothing's wrong with that chair. It's pretty nice actually. So I think it was set there by a kid because there's 2, like you can tell where a kid's been playing. And that's what I'm gonna guess. But I almost grabbed it, but I was like, no. Looks like a kid left it there to me, but. Well, guys, what are y'all doing in there? Y'all guys want out? Yeah, 2 of y'all. All right, let's get y'all out. Y'all want out there? Golly, you come after me. Get out of there. I'll put your deal up there. Don't get me a stick. They should come after me. Go. Alright, you got it now. There. There's one of them. You can go that way. I don't want no part of you. Oh, his arms all ate up. Where probably them 2 were fighting or something. Alright. There's one, there's the other one. Alright. We did our part for the day. That one's stuck. Jump down. Go. Get down. I'll hit you in the head with a stick. Don't go back down in there, you idiot. God dang it. No wonder you're trapped. I'll come down here next week and you'll be stuck in there. Just jump down, man. Go. 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 Get out of here. It's stuck in somebody else's dumpster. Problem solved. Oh, aren't these like worth millions of textbooks? I think these are college. Ow, grab them. There's a used college bookstore in here in town. I might run them up there one day or something. I'll do a quick scan on them or something if they're worth anything. Those are scout. Hope they're not. They might be. I ain't messing with that. That's a mess. We gotta find some good stuff, guys. We got some scrap metal at least. Around, see if we see anything out. I didn't quite come back far enough. I scanned some of them books and a lot of them were worthless, but we got some stuff in here. Not worthless, value to somebody, but not enough for me to mess with. Not that I've ever even messed with them. And there, I think they're all high school books. Alright, pretty clean. There's a TV in here. It's got a plastic bag though. And no cord, so we'll leave it. Probably should just throw them away too. Takes up a lot of room, but it's something. We ain't getting anything right now. Got some wire on there last week. Let's go over here and look. Nothing. I ain't checking that one, Dale. On we go. Oh, I do see something out here. I thought we just had that cord. What we got? Oh, a printer. I gotta get my deal. Get the cord off that printer at least. So this stuff. Jordan stuff. Might be just something else. nuts to that. We'll just take the cord. I'll work for some cords, huh? Close, okay. Takes a few cords, I guess. An old fishing wooden pole, huh? You see any eyes broken off of it? I don't either. Oh, it looks like there was 3 pieces, maybe. Yeah. I can scrap that part. That's got a lot of metal on it. I guess we'll scrap it at least. Yeah, alright, nothing. It's one of them days. Take what we can get. Dirty aluminum, probably. Yeah, cool. At the very least, it's worth 12 cents a shred. This old dumpster. I wonder if there's any wire in it, or it's just aluminum. Let's find out. It's empty. It's all right. And is it aluminum or is it steel? Aluminum. Oh. Steel. There's one piece of copper, pretty good size. We have to do some digging. I have to get the, I ain't leaving that. I'll get that with a pick 'em up stick, I guess. Let's go get that. I know it ain't much, but that's some #1 copper right there. And there's one more little piece of shred right there. I'll get you. I don't know if I can get them or not. That one. All adds up, they say. It's all foam. All right, let's go look in this open top. See what we have. Yes, I'm driving up there. Yeah. We got a few things out of this little open top, so there might be something in there. Let's take a drink of tea. My wife made that tea. It's good. Oh man, this morning she made me some, like a breakfast bagel with bacon and eggs, and she also fried up some fried green tomatoes out of my garden. I say garden. I I have like 3 tomato plants and jalapeno peppers, a couple plants of them, and a couple poblanos, and some other like a candy cane pepper. Man, those are good, some good peppers. And I think that's all that I planted since we were moving. I quit. Those are stuff that I brought over. But anyways, on we go. It was a good breakfast. Now we got us an office chair. We're taking it today. Yes, indeed. And we'll throw that away for whomever didn't make it to the trailer. Good enough. Some gold in here. There we go. Just want to get a good look at them. Whoops. 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 Let's take a double gander. Make sure we didn't overlook any. I don't see any more floating around down there. And they're never in bags usually, so. It's a good 10 bucks later down the line, or even more if it keeps going up. Gold and all that. I've got to start. I'd like to get a good box of that sent off to pay for my survey that I got coming up. But we'll get to work on it soon though. Aluminum. Something. Old cord. Man, I hadn't found nothing here in a while. Shoo, same old mattress. Ready to call it quits, guys. We got a portable AC and office chair, refrigerator, a small one, and a box of cans and a few cords and those boards. But man, I'd like to run into something. Hopefully we do. Well, I guess it's been up penny on the way to this one. I think I'm too late today, or too early, or something. People ran them good. There might be something in this block. Oh, there's a monitor. We can scrap that. We can take whatever this thing is. Yeah. What else we got in there? Anything? fiberglass or plastic or something. Pair of boots, Timberlands. On we go. What's in that tomato box? I hadn't seen one of them in a while since I worked produce back when I was a kid. Well, I guess they still put tomatoes in tomato boxes. Glad I looked. Curiosity would have been like, I wonder what was in there. I used to save them when I worked at the old Dover supermarket back when I was a kid. Use them for whatever. I still got one with my coin collection in it. I thought it was a crutch when I stopped, but it's a curtain rod. We'll take it either way though. Take something better than nothing. I'm gonna get smushed to this sitting here. On we go. I guess we'll take it. Oh, it's metal too. I like that. The dog has a smoker's cough. Old tangly shoe rack. I don't think anybody would have stopped for that but me. On we go. No, I sure don't, man. I might have some Romex down in here. At least. Hey, alright. A little bit. Take it. If there's anything else. There is actually. HP all in one. Oh, there's some not a good short steel in here. I have to get the old magnet stick out for it. Be quicker. Let's get it in front of them like that. Huh. Oh, got all that stuff caught on there. It'll take a minute, ain't it? Everything. That's should have had a little bucket or something. see a little wad of wire, whatever that is that wire? That's string. I didn't even see it. Thought we had it all. Well, that wasn't sticky. Whatever that is. Alright. So we did alright then. If I flip that back or not, so I'm going to. I'll figure out how I can get these up. Start with the bottom one, I guess. I don't know. Let's start with the top one. See if I can get them all up. They're covered in ants. Boy. That'll work, won't it? Yeah. A few little chairs, I guess. Alright, strap them on, put a bungee through them, be on our way. I think we might have us another office chair, and guess what? I'll take it. Today I'm taking them. Yep, I'll take that remote too. I don't know. Good to me. Look good to y'all. Anything else in here y'all see? See these metal bands? Yeah, that's our metal band desperate. Want to join my metal band? That's 6 cents. Headboard, footboard. Pretty cool. That'd be cool for something, wouldn't it, guys? The headboard would. I don't know for what. I've seen people make some cool benches and stuff out of them. But I ain't gonna grab it today. No metals in that. There we go. There's a little bit. Oh, that's dip can. So I can be careful grabbing cans to be full of dip spit. Couple little chunks of aluminum. now we're getting on a roll a little bit. I'd like to be able to get this up on top or something. Well, not quite what I wanted, but that'll work, I guess. Y'all help me out. The GoPro held on to it. You stay persistent out here, you'll bump into stuff eventually. Hey, look at here. Let's get it a stick. Old ice cream bucket. Not really old. Cord's been cut on it. So. That is, it's scrap metals, what that is. TV cord gone off of it. Cool, man. Oh, there's some more in there. I get number one for this stuff. So let's scrape up some money for that survey. Heck yeah, man. I don't check this dumpster that often. I was like, I better check it today. That's a little bit of wires. Piece of angle iron. What's wrong with that? Nut. That one should be empty, but it gets dumped. It gets dumped on Saturday. Sometimes, yeah, pretty much. This is a little piece of metal. I'll take that, I think. Yeah, we can take that. Lots of potato chips. Truly. Yeah, take that too. That's kind of cool, man. I thought that was a big. It says Martin's potato chips. never seen anything like that before. Oh yeah, I'm taking it. Come on. Yeah. Dumpster bungee right here, the one I found from the last episode. Let's put it to work. Maybe we can put it to work. Why did the baker rob the bank? Because he needed some dough, man. Did you know you could jump on a waterbed? You just got to use spring water. Oh, it's a curtain rod again. This time I thought we might have had a lamp. Maybe. Oh yeah. We can get her out of there. Well, we ain't gonna get that way. There's a dang piss stained mattress on it. Well, come on, baby. I don't have to. Almost had it, man. Little chunk there. Take a little chunk. Anything else? Alright guys, that's all we found. Better than nothing. We've had worse days. Ended up picking up there at the end and ended up putting a few more little things in the truck, so got this cool looking Martin's potato chip thing. I don't know. Thomasville, Pennsylvania? How old it is. It's still cool though. It's got a hole rusted out to the bottom, so, but still cool. What else did we find? I scanned all them books. One of them was on Amazon and eBay for $200-something. I didn't look at the sale price, but I don't really mess with that stuff, so. The other ones were like 10 bucks, so just got rid of them. But yeah, we found a little bit of this, a little bit of that. We found that portable AC off the right off the bat, so that was cool. And that little bit of stuff, neighbor's dumpster, so it is what it is. I had fun though. Hope y'all enjoyed the show. And we saved 2 banditos, didn't we? 2 little raccoonses in the dumpster. Yeah. They were ungrateful, wasn't they? Alright guys, y'all guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Y'all are awesome, stay awesome, and all that good stuff that's supposed to be said. I'll see you on the next one.